We've got two symmetric lines, so we'll use two mirror operations. As always, watch out for those unwanted constraints. When mirroring, if the absolute axis is included in your selection, CATIA won't let you use it as the mirror axis. Same thing happens with other elements. If they're selected, you can't use them as the mirror axis. So make sure to remove them from your selection. Now, you can use them as the mirror axis. Or click the mirror tool first, then select the shape. This way, the absolute axis won't get selected. Another way is to extend the axis outside the geometry, so it doesn't get included in the selection. If you want the dimension to follow the vertical or horizontal direction, just right-click before placing it and pick the right option.